in the building is back.
Ass everywhere. Bad bitches better get in place. Put that in his face for them, but don't let them.
This is where I'm gonna do it.
Is to get that cash, shake something, get that bad bonus like you know that.
I'm fighting a beautiful
Ass everywhere. Bad bitches better get in place.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're enjoying my little recipes that I'm putting up here. Today I'm just gonna make a really fast steak marinade, and this doesn't take many ingredients. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put about 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard in a bowl. Now this could be used on any type of steak. Today I have a New York strip steak. I also have a porterhouse steak, and I have a London broil, and I'm gonna cook all of them and just spread it around so it could be enough for my whole family. Then we're gonna just take some of this Asian sesame with ginger and soy sauce. It's Ken's Steakhouse. I actually bought it for one of those Asian ginger sesame dressings, but I don't like it for my salad, and it's excellent as a marinade. So I'm just gonna put, that's about 1/3 of a cup. Then I'm gonna put about a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Black pepper, y'all. Black pepper, y'all. I'm gonna put about 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. I'm gonna take some Diamond Crystal kosher salt, and I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons. Well, that was about 1.5 tablespoons. Always remember to salt your beef, please. Then I have some Worcestershire sauce. I put about 3/4 of a teaspoon of that in. Now we're just going to whisk that together. Make sure it's evenly blended. You have a little whisk. It's all done. Now all you have to do is pour it over your steak and let it sit for at least 1 hour. But you could also put it in the refrigerator overnight. That always makes it really, really, really tasty. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy, and try this beautiful marinade for your steak. You'll love it. Bye-bye.